Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show how you can make hair serum at home for healthy strong hair. So the ingredients I'm using today is aloe vera gel, coconut oil and rose water. Aloe vera contains vitamin A, C and E. All these three vitamins promote healthy cell growth and shiny hair. Aloe vera also contains vitamin B12 and folic acid, which prevents hair fall. It also nourishes the hair, helps to grow hair at faster rate, and it also acts as a natural conditioner. I have collected the gel. So I am going to take this gel and add it to the mixer. So I have added the gel extracted to the mixer. Now we're going to mix it in the grinder just for some time. Let that get mixed. You can check out. This consistency is enough for us. Now to this I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Rose water improves hair growth. It contains vitamin A, B3, C and E, which promotes the growth of your hair by nourishing the scalp and promoting hair growth. So you can check out, it's mixed well. All the 3 ingredients have mixed well. So let's transfer this to a bowl. So our serum is ready. Your hair happy and healthy with this homemade serum, which not only protects your hair from damage, also helps grow your hair and also add volume to your hair. Now coming to the method of application, 2 to 3 hours before oiling. Begin the application from scalp, roots, then to hair strands, then to the hair ends. And you can also use it before going out to protect it from sun, dust and pollution. So it's chemical free and you'll have amazing results. It not only protects your damaged hair but also helps to grow your hair and adds volume to your hair. So guys, do try it out. Thank you for watching my video. Please hit a like button if you liked my video and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed.